everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to connect CSS, JavaScript and images to an HTML file in your workspace. First things first, we'll set up our workspace. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any code editor you like. Let's start creating a new folder for our project. Open it. Now let's create 3 files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. One folder for images. Now let's drag and drop an image in this folder. Okay, now let's open the index.html file. I'll set up a basic HTML structure to get things rolling. Shift 1, return. You'll get this basic structure. Let's give a title. Add some text. Add some text. Hit the subscribe button. And an image using img tag. And a button here. This function will be added in the JavaScript file later. Subscribe. Next up, let's connect our JavaScript file. I have already created script.js in our folder. We link it to our HTML right before the closing body tag using the script tag. Next, let's connect our CSS file to style our HTML content. In the head section, I'll add a link to our style.css file. This line tells our HTML file to look in the current directory for style.css and apply any style it finds there. In the style.css file, let's add some styles to make our page look better. In script.js, let's create a simple function that displays an alert when the button is clicked. Now it's time to show is it working or not. Press the Ctrl and mouse button on the index.html, then open with live server. Here is our page titled YouTube tutorial. Hit the subscribe button please, and here is the image that is saying you are amazing. Here is the button, let's click on it, and it's showing the message, hello guys, hope you are doing great. So there you have it. We have connected a CSS file to style our page, a JavaScript file to make it interactive, and an image to bring it to life. All these elements together form the basics of web development. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web development tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.